Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic and a nice freshly painted Big Willy. I'm going to try some Owatrol on these headlights. I know we buffed them a while back. If you check up here, you can see that video. But Owatrol apparently is quite good. So let's see if Owatrol does work, and this, you know, Chops at Chops Garage swears by it. Let's see if it works. Does Owatrol work on headlights? Well, what do you think? This little tub, got a little rag, so I'm going to pop it open and give it a go. So I'll put you down and show you what we got. So we've got a little tin of Owatrol, we've got a little polishing rag. That's the headlight we're going to be doing, so I'll pop you down on here. Can you see enough? Can I zoom in? There you go. So yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing. I'll just dip a little bit of this into the Owatrol, and then I'll just do circular motions onto it, to be honest. Let's see how we get on. Yeah, because this is apparently meant to be good at putting overspray. We'll have to buff it eventually. This is meant to be good for putting oils and colour, or bringing out oils and whatever from the headlight back. So. I mean, it looks like some glossy now, doesn't it? Don't know how it looks on camera, but that looks to be significantly better. I use a clean side, buff it up. No, I'm holding the tin, but you know, I am. And that looks better to me. Yeah, I'd say that's better, wouldn't you? Yeah, I think it's good. Quick Owatrol of the headlights. He looks good. He looks good with his new number plate on. So I'll get him down and he's good to go again. Big Willy rides again. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.